Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Eddie's Speed Garage. I'm Ed, and today we're working on a 2024 GMC Sierra. We're going to update the reverse lights to these LED lights. They should be a little bit brighter. I've got a long road. We live in the country. It's really dark out here at night, so let's see if this makes a difference. All right, these are the bulbs we're going to use. They're Lasfit, I guess if that's how you pronounce it. 921s, got them from Amazon. They're about $25. I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can pick them up yourself. This channel does get a little bit of kickback from that, but it doesn't affect the price. Let's put them on. All right, so you got two bolts here. Both of them are Torx. They're a T10. Take those two out. Get yourself a hold of this. Give it a little tug. She'll pop right out. You can see, not very easy. And then we're gonna go back here and unplug this one. And then see, it's got a straight halogen bulb in there. Let's get it out. All right, so we're gonna shove it in here, and these are CAN bus compatible. Don't want to go that way, so we'll flip it over. And she's in. All right, so we unlock the doors, and you can see how bright that is. We're gonna shove it back in here, and then we're gonna give you a side-by-side. All right, so you saw how tough it was to pull them out. There's a grommet here and a grommet down here. You got these little studs. You need to line those up to get it back in. All right, there's the new LED bulb installed. That's the old halogen bulb. You tell me what you think. Like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. All right, they're both in. Let's see what happens. Super bright. Thanks for watching, guys.